Good day. Welcome to Daily News. Culture. What is culture? Does politics have something to do with it? You are mistaken.
I don't want to stay with you anymore. Talaq, talaq, talaq.
Well, every day we used to play with balls, but our classroom would become so messy. Still, every day when we returned, we found the classroom to be clean and spotless. Do you know who did that for us? The housekeeping staff of our school led by Maya Didi. But have you ever thought about it?
में ये नई मेट्रो रेल बन रही है। इसके लिए आप सबको बधाई हो कि ये मेट्रो रेल का रिबन वही काटेंगे जिसका इसे बनाने में सबसे ज्यादा योगदान हो।
सर जी, हमें क्यों?
अरे सुमित भाई, आप ही तो हैं जिन्होंने इसे बनाने में सबसे बड़ा योगदान दिया है। आपके बिना और आपके साथियों के बिना क्या आपको लगता है ये काम कभी पूरा हो पाता? इसीलिए आप ही का हक बनता है इसका उद्घाटन करने का।
Grandmother? Yes, dear. What is it?
Can you tell me a bedtime story?
Yeah, sure. Why not? I'll tell you a story of a mighty king who lived in.
I wonder how things will change when the technological evolution, as they talked about in the newspaper, occurs.
Hey Sneha, why do you look so sad? Look at your eyes. Deep circles.
The reason is my boss. I'm tired of doing this 9 to 5 jobs. We are humans, not slaves.
Then what's stopping you from being an entrepreneur? You could be your own boss.
Starting a business requires a lot of money, and I have heard that banks don't lend to new startups.
No, it is a myth regarding entrepreneurship. Do you know that Infosys was started only with 10,000 rupees and that banks have introduced various schemes to finance budding entrepreneurs?
Oh, that's great. But I don't belong to the entrepreneurial community. Then why shall I start a business?
No, my friend, that is not the truth. People belonging from any community can be successful entrepreneurs.
That sounds good. So shall I start a business in the attractive industries?
No, it is not necessary, as there have been many entrepreneurs who started their business which were not in mainstream but are successful.
Okay, friends. Now I feel that I can be an entrepreneur. All I need is a good idea. Till that time, I'll continue my job. Oh, thank you so much, friends. You cleared all my misconceptions about entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship. Thank you.
What is e-commerce? E-commerce, also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet.
On the bright side, COVID-19 has been bringing many customers to the e-commerce store. Bricks and mortars have closed in large numbers and people prefer online shopping to avoid physical contact.
On celebrated days, people exchange gifts and wishes. However, this year, many special days will probably take place online.
The webinar will aim to highlight lessons learned from past disaster recovery events and consider how countries can start preparing for a recovery that is climate sensitive.
Many organizations suffer from slow procedures, complex bureaucracies, and rigid hierarchies, making organizational life less than pleasant.
Opportunities emerge for long-term returns. Although there could be a sharp fall in deal-making in the short term, PE funds are expected to learn from the past as high returns often emerge in times like these and can offset the losses during the downturn. Private equity funds have stepped into the current crisis, riding a decade-long growth wave in transaction volumes, valuations, and fundraising. The pandemic, however, has sharply eroded the value of some investments and dampened investor confidence.
What is gender and what is equality? Is it something to do with one's dignity?
Is her salary low or his salary high?
When both of them have the same capability to fly.
Why does the society question her ability when she does not get even a single of its facility? The society said, no, you cannot be out after 7.
Then she asked, isn't my life hell instead of heaven?
The little one said, Mother, even I want to study. Mother replied, Dear, make broom your only buddy. She said, Father, even I want to study.
Father replied, go, clean up the rooms that are muddy.
We often have to leave our desires behind, but when asked, we pretend we are yet to find. The society really isn't so kind.
It makes his business to fiddle with the minds.
Poverty refers to a situation in which an individual is unable to fulfill its basic necessities of life. It includes food, clothing, health facilities, education facilities, etc. Common characteristics of poor people are hunger, starvation, malnutrition, limited economic opportunities, gender inequality, bigger families, and poor health. According to absolute measure, around 22% of India's population is below the poverty line. Poverty line is a cutoff line of distribution which usually divides the India's population among poor and non-poor people. Main causes of poverty are low level of economic development, high illiteracy rate, poor state of agriculture, high level of unemployment. Government has designed various employment opportunities and various schemes for the poor people, like various poverty alleviation programs. The poverty line has declined from earlier, but still poverty exists in our country.